Hey coffee lovers! Today, I'm going to show you how to make the perfect latte right at home using your espresso machine. Whether you're a busy professional or just love a cafe-style drink, this simple guide will help you enjoy barista-quality coffee without leaving your kitchen. Step 1. Prepare fresh espresso. First, grind fresh coffee beans for the best flavor. Fresh beans make all the difference. Then, pull a shot of espresso using your machine, about 30 milliliters. Make sure your espresso is rich and aromatic. This is the foundation of a perfect latte. Step 2. Steam the milk. Next, it's time to steam your milk. Use the steam wand to heat the milk to around 140 to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 60 to 65 degrees Celsius. Create tiny microfoam bubbles for a creamy, velvety texture. This microfoam is what gives your latte that smooth, cafe-style feel. Step 3. Combine espresso and milk. Pour the espresso into a large cup first. Slowly add the steamed milk, letting the foam float on top. If you like, try a simple latte art design. It makes your coffee look professional and inviting. This small step instantly transforms your home latte into a barista-level drink. And that's it. Your homemade, cafe-quality latte is ready to enjoy. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe